This is a quick video I figure I'd make. I'm actually dropping trucks off, picking them up with one of our guys, getting oil changes because today it's actually 5 degrees with the wind chill. It feels like minus 13. And the guys aren't working in the field today because of the weather. So we're just getting a lot of maintenance done on our trucks. But when I got to the office, I saw that our whole system is covered. You can see up here, all the panels, everything on the roof is covered. And one of the most common questions, does my solar work when it snows? Let me show you. I mean, it's light out, there's no sun, direct sunlight, but a little bit coming through the clouds there, but it's just light. So here's our first inverter. You see what it's got there? We got 61 watts and we got 0.011 kilowatt hours today. This other inverter here, we got, I don't know if you could see it here, but we got 20 watts, 0.006 kilowatt hours today. So the answer to your question is, do the inverters produce, is the system working when the snow's out or the roof is covered with snow? Yes, it does. Very, very little. Just to give you an example, each one of these panels on the roof is 360 watts. And this inverter is putting out 52. This inverter isn't putting out any. This inverter is putting out 15. So you're basically getting less than 1 panel's worth of production with all the snow covering the roof. But with the SunPower technology, believe it or not, it's still producing. Talk to you later.